Simmering heat at 3:30 in the afternoon. Look at the number of people around me, volunteers who've come together to really clean up this sludge at the sea here at Ennore. As far as really the pollution, as far as that oil is concerned, still a long way to go. It doesn't look likely that by today evening things will end. They're talking about, of course, going through possibly all through the night trying to clear this up. But what's astounding is the fact that it's not just the Coast Guard, but also several volunteers who've come on their own, Avantika. There was no sort of outreach really from the Coast Guard here. And I've got people with me who've been here from the morning, toiling in this hot sun. Joining us on this broadcast now is Mr. Sanjay Waki. He's the CEO of the Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training, students of which group have been here from morning, from 7:38 almost, trying to scoop out bucket after bucket of this sludge. So why did you decide to ensure that your students were here contributing to cleaning up this part?
It's a national cause. Ultimately, it's going to affect every person across. So it was something voluntarily when it happened. I just asked my students, and for last 3 days from when this happened on Saturday, and ever since then, every day a different batch has volunteered themselves to come, because it's a learning experience for them as well. Because when they go to sea, if there is a pollution, it's not happened, but still they know how to take action on that.
So did the Coast Guard reach out to you in any way? Did they reach out to you and ask you for help?
Yeah, Coast Guard has formed an oil spill contingency team with a WhatsApp group in which they included me also. They asked for volunteers, and I happened to be one of the volunteers, and then that's through which even I got into it.
You know what's interesting, Avantika, is you've seen what happened during the Chennai floods. Last week I was here covering the Jallikattu protests, once again triggered by social media, and here once again volunteers coming together simply by the power of social media. Chennai seems to be redefining that aspect really.
Oh,
I want to
yes.
speak to some of them here. Look at them. They're an absolute mess because they've been out there trying to pull out all the muck there is. You know, it's very slippery here, as well, which is why they've got their gumboots on. Tell me, why did you decide that you wanted to come down here and clean up this place?
We are from HMT College. This is a study purpose. We are came here to do this. This is one of the experience of us, and the MD sir is giving instructions how what we want to do and what we will do. That's experience we are sharing. And
what are the challenges you're facing here doing this?
It's very hard. There are rocks over here, and it's been very hard to pull out the oil from the rigs, and the supplies are logistic supplies are so less over the outside. We are trying to take out the oil somehow, and we are finding the barrels also to include the oil inside.
Okay, all right. So they are facing a few challenges, but they've still got a smile on their faces, and that's definitely nice to see, Avantika. They're still looking at the bright side of it, which is that they have a lot to learn. I spoke to them earlier as well, and they said that, look, the sea is our life, it's our future, so we have to ensure that we take care of it.
Akshata, just